Go. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're doing a keratin / smoothing treatment review. We're using the brand Malina. So it's a new brand from Brazil. Here is the logo, and here is the stuff. So this is their Ultra Mineral Boost. As you can see, Jessica has curly hair, right? And Jess, what is like the goal you wanted to do? Like, did you always want to do a keratin?
So I've never done a keratin before. I've always been very hesitant because a lot of times you do keratins, you take out the frizz, yes, but you lose that curl. I love my curls. I like the body of them. So I want something that's going to take away my frizz but keep my curls intact.
So the one cool thing is why we're using this particular brand, but also this particular service within that brand, is you don't have to flat iron it. You can actually diffuse it so you don't really pull out that curl so much as you would with other keratins when you have to flat iron it to drive the product into the hair. This processes for 20 minutes and then you just, what does it say? You just diffuse it after that?
You just diffuse it.
Yeah.
If you want to keep the curls, you just diffuse the hair, or you can even dry it with like your fingers.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So we're actually going to diffuse it today. So I'm going to take you step by step on the whole entire service, and then when we're done, we're gonna kind of come back and let you know how we feel about it. Maybe tomorrow or the next day, so we might be wearing different clothes. So I want her to live with it for a few days to really see how it affects her hair and affects her curls.
I've never done a keratin before, so I'm very excited.
Turn around, sit back. You can see she has pretty nice curls, you know, but there's like some frizz built up, and that happens from when you color the hair as well. A lot of times when you're lighter in color, the reason why your hair looks frizzier is because darker hair reflects more light and lighter hair absorbs more light. So this is really gonna help her keep some of her blonde tones and at the same time make it look a little shinier and healthier. Turn around for me again. All right, let's get started.
Yay!
All right, next step is you want to really blot all the water out of the hair, get in there and detangle. A lot of times it might be a little tough because you don't use any conditioner, so just be extra gentle. All right, so now we are done applying the keratin, and I'm gonna spin Jess around, or on the side here. So you can see everything's off of her face. It's evenly saturated throughout her hair. And now we set a timer for 20 minutes and let the magic happen. All right, guys, so we applied it, processed it, rinsed it 100%, and now I'm just gently combing through her hair. So because we're keeping her curls and we just want to get rid of the frizz, I'm going to choose to diffuse this product for the last step, okay? You can blow it dry, you can flat iron it, you can do it really like a regular keratin and smooth it out, but we want to maintain her curls while losing the frizz, so we're just going to diffuse it. As you can see, her curls actually have a little more bounce to them right now. This is the first day we did it. I diffused it about 50%. I'm probably gonna go through just a little bit more, but I just wanted to give you like a midway reaction to the keratin so far. Her hair feels really soft. There's no product. Jess, how's your hair feel? Does it feel curly?
Great. Yeah, it does actually.
So if you're afraid to lose your curl, she definitely didn't lose any curl, so that's great. I'm gonna go ahead and finish drying it, and then we're gonna kind of jump back in a day or two and see how it feels when she does it herself. All right, so we finished the keratin. It's been 2 or 3 days, right? How many days? Like 3?
Yeah, it's like 3 days.
And you washed it already?
I washed it, and then I styled it as I normally do. Check out my video at Just La Ferrera.
Turn around, let's see the hair. How do you feel about your first keratin?
I actually really love it. I was very nervous about it, that I was gonna be losing my curl on my body, but I did not. My curls are perfectly intact. I have my body, but the frizz is so much better.
So I did a good job then doing your keratin.
Nah.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Yeah, I like the way it feels too. It feels, actually, I almost feel like my curls feel more enhanced, if that makes any sense.
Like
It
they
feels
got more
curlier,
alive.
yes.
Yeah.
No, I really like it.
Yeah, it
I
feels
would
really
definitely
soft
do it
and
again.
smooth.
Yeah, right? And I
Yeah.
have products in there.
Yeah, so Malina's Express Keratin, which is great for curly hair. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave us a comment in the comment box below. She can answer any questions. She's at Jess LaFerrera on Instagram. You know where I'm at on Instagram, at Nick Mirabella, or whatever this thing you're watching it on, whether it be Instagram or YouTube or Facebook or wherever. Just message it below and I'll wind up reading it and getting back to you. And that's really it. That is Jessica's first keratin. And if you have curly hair, don't be scared of keratins. They do work for you too.
They do. Trust me.
She knows now.